Hello there, my friend, and welcome to this Legacy Builders program review video. It's amazing, Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm so excited to be sharing with you why I decided to jump on board this opportunity. Now, I'm here in Malawi, where I'm from on vacation, and I'm based in Dublin, Ireland, where I'm studying for my degree in business and marketing. And a week before I left Malawi, as I was doing my daily mode of operation, my income producing activities, I kept coming across the Legacy Builders program. I decided to kind of check it out, right? Even though I'd been committed to my previous opportunity for about 6 months, but I thought, no, this is something going on here. I want to know what it is. And when I did my research, I was blown away by the product, okay? Because there's some opportunities that don't have a substance behind it. I wanted to make sure that this is a sustainable business. And when I came across the product just by doing my research on YouTube, I was blown away by the value of the product, right? So I decided to jump on board. I got in at the highest package just before I left Ireland, and then I came to Malawi. I left Malawi Island on Tuesday last week, 28th, 26th, 25th of June, and I got here to Malawi last Wednesday. I've been in Malawi for a week now, and when I got to Malawi, my sponsor reached out to me saying, "Hey, what's going on? Let me know if you need any help, any coaching." And I was like, "Oh yeah, I did buy that thing, but I haven't had a chance to look at it because I've been traveling to Malawi. I had to set up my internet." And then this is a truly global business. It's a truly global digital business because the product we have is education. Okay, did you know that in 2019 the e-learning platform just was like a couple of million a day opportunity, and then since COVID and after COVID, it's gone to a billion a day business opportunity. People have woken up to the ability to learn valuable skills, practical skills that they can convert to money online. And this is the product that we have. But it's not just another training program, it's actually an interaction coaching and mentorship product, interactive mentorship and coaching program, which is absolutely blown away. It blows me away because you don't just buy a program, a training, and go away. You actually get live interactive training with it. Okay, so the reason I decided to jump on board first and foremost was because I was doing something very, I'll say 99% similar to this, right? I was doing something 99% similar to this. However, I was working very hard and getting like 20% of the commission, right? Doing the exact same thing. And with this opportunity here, I will keep doing what I was doing because they're pretty much on the same line, but I will be able to earn 100% commissions paid instantly and directly to me. So it was a no-brainer. Do I keep doing what I'm doing and earn 20% commission, or do I do the same thing and earn 100% commission? Yes, you heard me right. You get to leverage other people's products, program, coaching, mentorship, and you get paid 100% commission paid instantly and directly to you. Okay, so let me go quickly walk you through the program, what it is that you get as a member. Once you become a member. So there's different packages that you can choose from, right? So as you can see here, we have different programs, so you can jump on where you fit in. So I jumped on this one, Legacy Builders program, which is the highest package. And with this package here, it's not every day that you join an opportunity, and once you're inside, you actually even get blown away by the value, right? So since in the past week, since I've been in Malawi, I've actually been going through the training. Okay, global opportunity digital program you can do anywhere around the world. Okay, so these are the trainings that you get. You get to understand the business model, about resale rights. That's just my 2 hour timer going off, because I always we have a 2 hour work week, so I work in 2 hour. That's just my 2 hours done. So I'm just going to finish recording this video. Okay, so I set up a 2 hour timer. So we get to learn about that. We get to learn about our 2 hour workday, literally, like the things that happened on my lives that I couldn't plan them, right? So that was a 2 hour countdown timer that just went off. And then you learn how to launch to your business in 7 days, right? You just don't jump in and start promoting. You actually do a pre-launch, right? You prepare your audience for what's coming. And then here I learned how to put my automated marketing system. Once this is the longest bit where you have to implement, and then once you set up your marketing system, it's good to go, and you're taken step by step. You set up your payment gateways because you pay instantly and directly, whatever methods that you choose. And yes, I've gone, all these have ticks, I've gone through them, and right now I'm here. I'm starting to create my empire. And this part of the training is all about goal setting. And this is actually here as I'm here with you. I'm just after going live, but I'm applying what I'm learning from the goal setting. I have this best year ever book by Darren Harvey that I use to set my goals, to track them, and it's just in line with what she's teaching, right? So I actually went live just breaking down that bit. So yeah, let me just I'm not going to go too much into it because there's so much. It's just one page, right? You're going to learn how to sort up your social media accounts, how to grow a following. You're going to learn about our daily passive blueprint, how to find your customer. You can see there's 4 pages of training. Okay, this is, the value is absolutely mind-blowing. But not only, if I go back to view all my products, not only do you have the product, you have some bonuses as well. Okay, we have our digital growth bonuses here. Just click it to show you. Absolutely amazing bonuses here. So we have how to start your MMR business, Invisible Empire, Canva crash course. So all this here is bonuses that you get. But wait, there's more. We have this amazing community. Okay, this is our community, and I'm on the community tab here. And if I click wins, right, you can actually see people sharing the wins of people generating leads. This one a day ago just made 1,100 on her first day of the month, July the 1st. Isn't that a great way to start your month? 1,100. So there's countless of testimonials. Ding, ding, ding. So yeah, I'm just going to scroll down quickly because it's part of a whole video. $100 wins just this morning, celebrating 900 day. Look at this. Oh my God, $40,000 in June. So there's different people celebrating the wins. I just have to go to community and I can click on any of these tabs, right? And then here we have classrooms where there's different modules, right? It's absolutely mind blowing. This is a year's training, but it's not just training, it's actually interactive training where we still have trainings every single week. Let me show you the calendar here actually. So here's the training. So Tuesday, there's 3 here on Tuesday, 2 more events. I think there's 4, and then here there's one. So Tuesday is the busy day, and then it kind of slows down. And then here there's 3 more. So these are all the different trainings from mentors, and I can go into any of these to start learning. I haven't even touched this. You can see this is all 0 because I'm focused on this one here first, right? 90-day success blueprints. I love these 90-day, 30-day runs, legacy runs, all this here, the mentoring, everything is there for you, okay? It's absolutely amazing. Our members, we have 26,000 members in this community. And right now there's 240 online, and they're there to help answer any questions. You can do a search, whatever you search for, you'll find answers there. And it's just absolutely mind-blowing. So I am extremely excited to be part of this opportunity because I love to learn. I get excited about learning, but what excites me more than learning is learning and earning. And what excites me more about earning is getting all the money, 100% commissions paid instantly and directly to me. So what I want to do is invite you to click the link below to take our system for a test drive. Have a look to see if this is the right fit for you. I'll be there to welcome you directly. Respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is the right fit for you. Otherwise, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.